Hello, so today I will show you how to make a solar system. So let's start. It will be a simulation. So first of all we will need the sun sprite. Get this sun sprite and now place it in the middle. And now let's make a planet. Click on paint and now choose this blue color. You can also choose other colors, but this color looks good, so I choose it. Now put it here and make sure the borders are at 0. Now go to the code and place this planet here. I will increase the size of the star, because a star which is smaller than the planet is impossible. Now it's right. Now it's a little better. Now let's make the rotation and revolution simulation. So to make a rotation simulation, when green flag click, forever, repeat 360 times, 360 times, 360 times, move 10 steps, and turn by 2 degrees. You can experiment with different revolutions. Okay, it's a little, I have done a little wrong. Wait. Yes, now it's right. And now let's start what happens. Now let's... So it is not revolving around the star. We can fix that by increasing the values and experimenting with different values. This is a little close. Yes. Now it is orbiting the star. Now the planet is orbiting the star. Now let's make some celestial bodies. So here you can see we have I have made a celestial body, and now let's duplicate to the asteroid sprite. Drag it and now release. And now if I will make this orbit, I will make this orbit a little bigger and that orbit small. And if I now click, both of them are orbiting the star. Now let's make some speed values. So to make speed values, make variable and name it speed. right click on it and make it a slider in this way. Delete the old variable, and now we have to just put move here and move here, and now we can experiment with it. Here you can see they are at 8 speed, they are at 32 speed, they are at 17 speed, they are at 0 speed, and they are at 9 speed, 12 speed, and so on. Now we have to put the code that if it touches the sun, it will disappear. Sun disappear. If touching sun, it will hide, and it will only show when if the green flag display. Same with here also. And also put it under the repeat loop, not inside the repeat loop. If it is in the repeat loop, click the mouse pointer and drag it in the downer loop. It should be in forever loop. And now put here so, and now put here touching sun. And if now I will do, they are at maximum speed, they are at 100 speed, that is very fast. At 0 speed, they are at 31 speed, let's take it to the 11 speed, because now it's orbiting the star. So you can also put different values like intensity and light. So that's all for today. Bye. If you like this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, it will pop up in the end screen. So that's all for today. Bye.